What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Trifo Robotic Vacuum. This is the M6 model. Let's go ahead and get started. So here's everything that's included in the box. You got a spare filter, spare brushes, self-charging dock, and a cleaning tool to clean out the dust. And there's a razor in there so you can slice out the hair that gets caught up in the brushes. Here's the power on and off and the home charging button. This is the camera, so it senses the surroundings. This robotic vacuum is on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the video description below. That link supports the channel at no extra cost to you guys. The M6 robotic vacuum has almost 5-star rating. Visual navigation using your phone. Remote monitoring. 1800 PA suction power. You can schedule cleanings. And it's self-charging. Of course, you have to connect to your Wi-Fi to get all this working on your phone. And it's for hardwood and carpet too. Back here is your container for your dust. Let's open this up. This is your filter. So we got 2 filters actually. Right here is your dust bin. You just pop that open and then dump it in the garbage can. Slide it back in. It'll bump into randomly furniture if the camera doesn't sense certain things. It'll bump into it and then back up and then turn around. And it does have a rubber bumper so it doesn't mark your furniture. The M6 also has these wheels that are big and they have little shocks on them. So it climbs up on carpet. It has big charging pads right here so you don't have issues charging. They're all labeled. This is labeled L for left and this is L for left. So you just pop this on. Very easy to set up. The filter is already in the unit, so you don't have to worry about that. Clean out the brush is easy to do. Just lift up on this and then pull this out. This right here comes right out, and then you would take your cleaning tool and clean out the dust, or brush it out. Or if you have hair stuck in the brush, you can slice it out using the razor that's built into here. I'm going to be giving this unit away to one of my subscribers. So if you're interested, only thing you have to do is like and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, of course, and leave a comment below saying you're interested in the robotic vacuum. And of course, like always, I should pay for shipping to you. So this giveaway costs no money for you guys. So you want to download Trifo Home app. So after you register to the app, you can use your email or your phone, not both. I chose the email, and then you put in your username and password that you created. You get to this part, allow, and you want to agree. And now we're going to add device. We're going to go ahead and plug it in, charge it up. So now we're going to hold the charge button down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Network configuration mode.
5.
Follow app instructions to start QR code scan.
And then type in Wi-Fi name and enter password. So 5G is not supported. Most of these robotic vacuums work on 2.4 gigahertz, so keep that in mind. After you put in your Wi-Fi name and password, we're going to scan the QR code. Click on that. And we're going to face it toward the camera.
QR code scanned. Connecting.
All right, now hit next.
Connection successful.
Tells you the battery life. Right now it's 80% battery life or 79% battery life. There's 3 power suction modes. You can tap on this button, recharge, if you want it to go back to the charging base. And if you want to start cleaning, you just select that right there. It'll start cleaning your whole home. And then it'll go back to the base automatically when it's completed the cleaning. For it to map out your whole house, of course, it has to run throughout your whole house. Whatever rooms that you do not want this robotic vacuum in, make sure you close the doors to those rooms. So I have it in an open space like this. This is perfect. So there's 2 ways to start the cleaning. You can just press the button or use the app.
Start.
Of course, you want all the wires off the floor. And now it's creating a map. Do not pick up the robotic vacuum and do not get in its way because it will mess up the mapping. You can manually control it using the app.
Stop.
There's 3 power modes. And there I am. It's actually looking at me right now, and you can record, which is kind of cool. So if you want to play back the video, just hit start video right here. But let's see how great it cleans.
Start.
So it does a pretty good job. So there's all the debris. Let's see. I like the slim profile. It gets under my fridge, no problem. We're gonna go to menu, then skills, and then search for Trifo home and search bar. And then we're gonna click on enable. And these are the command codes, or command prompts. There's the Amazon app, the menu, upper left, click on skills. We have to search for it. Alright, so this part I'm gonna have to actually contact tech support. So as of right now, I can't connect. 0 searches found. If this video was informative and it helped you set up your robotic vacuum, give me a thumbs up. And if you know anyone that may be interested in robotic vacuums, click on the share button below and share this video to them. If you want more tech videos like this coming your way, subscribe to Tampatec, click on the subscribe button below and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos. And if you want to check out my other tech reviews, check out this playlist link right here. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.